Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account on Facebook. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, and of course, you have to open the Facebook application. Then tap on this profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and go for this settings and privacy. Then simply tap on this settings. In settings, tap on this first option, account center, and then scroll down and tap on this personal details. In here it will show all the personal details. Go for this contact info. You can add your new contact information here with your email or with your phone number. To remove, you just have to click on your email, and then as you can see this delete email option. Just simply click on this delete email and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove Gmail account on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.